My dear students, I am going to explain you about fluid friction, FLUID, fluid friction. So, you know that liquid and gases both are known as fluid. So, the resistive force, that means when something is in motion, then a force which opposes the motion, that is called resistive force, and this resistive force produced by the fluid, produced by the gases or liquid on the body which is moving through it, that is only called fluid friction. So this fluid friction is less in gases and much in fluid. Okay, as you say, when any boat, when any steamer is in motion in the water, it opposes. That means the speed is decreased due to the opposing force of the liquid. In the same way, hovercraft or aeroplanes, speed is resisted, speed is decreased by the resistive force produced by the air. So you find that this resistive force, this fluid friction, depends on the nature of the liquid, nature of the fluid. Yeah, and not only this, if the speed of the object which is in motion through the fluid, if the speed is high, there will be high fluid friction, there will be high resistive force. So this you have to keep in mind. Fluid friction takes place in liquid as well as in gas. But in gas it is less, in water or in liquid it is more. Thank you. If you like, please share and